Hello, boys and girls. We are going to sort vowel sounds today. Are you ready? Vowels can make short or long sounds. Let's review short vowels first. A, I, a. Short a, apple. Short elephant. Short I, iguana. Short a, octopus. Short umbrella. Great job. Now, let's review long vowels. Long vowels say their names, like long A in cake, or long O in rope. Let's listen to long E, cheese. That's it. Now, how about I? What does long I say? Yes, I, like ice cream. Yum. What's the last vowel? A, E, I, O, and U. Long U says you, like in cube. Let's look at a few words. Do they have short or long vowels? Let's sort them together. Cap, a. I hear a short a in cap. Kit, I. Do you hear a short vowel sound? Yes, I do too. That's a short I. Mop, ah. Wow, that is another short vowel. I know this word. It is name, A. Do you hear A shouting its name in this word? This is our first long vowel. Listen to this. Nose. Oh, the long vowels are easy, aren't they? I hear a long O. Let's put that one here. How do we say this word? Yes, ice. I hear I, long I. Whew, that was hard work. Now I have a challenge for you. Can you sort these words into groups on your own? 3. Cub. Men. Tube. I will wait. You can also pause the video if you need more time to think. Let's check. 3. E. I definitely hear the E saying its name. Long vowel. Cub. I know it is not a long vowel, but what short vowel is it? That's right, a short Cub. Men. That sounds like hen and pen. That's a short Tube. U. Oh, I hear someone saying its name. Do you hear it? U. Yes, long U. Wow, nice job. You remembered that short and long vowels have different sounds. See you soon.